Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this flavor-packed spicy rice recipe. The full list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. So I'll make a start by finely dicing one onion. I've washed half a celery stick and I'm just going to dice that up finely. In a heavy base pan, I'll warm 4 tablespoons of oil. Under a low heat, I'm going to slowly cook the onions and celery until very soft and translucent. This will take a good couple of minutes, but it's worth it to get all the flavours out. Once the onions and celery are soft, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. And then I'll add 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'll go in with a teaspoon of chili flakes and I'll let that cook out for a couple of minutes. And then I'll go in with a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and a small pinch of ground cumin. And then I'll add 1 small tomato that I've peeled and deseeded. I'll give that a good stir and I'll allow to infuse for a couple of minutes before adding a teaspoon of oregano. I've washed and drained 1.5 cups of white basmati rice. I'll stir the rice into the seasoning until all the grains are coated. Now I'll add 3 tablespoons of tomato passata. And next I'll stir in 3 cups of stock. I'll give that a quick stir and I've turned the heat right up at this point until it starts to simmer. Once it starts to simmer, I'll turn it down to the lowest setting and leave to cook with the lid on for 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, the rice is nice and soft and soaked up all the stock. I've removed the 2 bay leaves and I'll give the rice a light quick stir with a fork. I won't stir too much because I don't want the rice to clump together. This rice is soft and packed with so much flavour that it can be enjoyed on its own. I will admit this does have quite a big kick to it, so just adjust the spices to suit your taste. So there it is, quick and easy, tasty, spicy rice. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and share this recipe with anyone you think might enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.